Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. I took screenshots of the questions, so here we go. First of all, I'm just gonna show you this adorable picture of my girly babes that I took today. That's my girl squad. Oh, where are they? How perfect are my girly babes? Oh, you can't really see Aveline. There's a glare on her. There's a glare. There's a glare. Why is there a glare on her? Because it's so bright. Hold on. There you go. You can kind of see. Getting a picture of all of them together like that is very difficult, so I'm like cherishing that. Okay, questions. Here we go. So I got a lot of questions from you guys asking what full-time means, because I tell you guys in my videos that I do Poshmark full-time. So, okay. I'm not doing Poshmark 8 hours a day. I'm not doing Poshmark from like 9 to 5 every day. I do it very, like sporadically throughout the day, but I feel like it's full time because like it never stops, basically. You know, like even on the weekends, I work on my Poshmark closet and I list things and we go sourcing. So I don't know, that's kind of like what full time is to me. You know, it's not like 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, like typical full time. It's like, it's off and on all day long, every day, basically. So like, I don't know, maybe I'll do like a day in my life. How about that? How about that? I think that'll clear some things up. My next question is, thank you for your videos. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. How long did it take for your closet to pick up in sales? Okay, so I can go back and look at numbers and stuff. Let's see, this goes back to, this one's to August. All right, let's go before that, July. Okay, so I started like really keeping track of stuff in April because that's pretty much when I went like full time. So let's see, it's from April to June. June I math. I gotta get a calculator and see what this math is. Divided by 800. It's 5. So I set, not quadrupled. What's 5? What's 5 times called? When you times something by 5. It's not quadruple, that's quadruple's 4, but what's 5? So from April to June, I was able to increase my income 5 times. So yeah, 2 months. It took me 2 months. And that's a really short amount of time, I feel like. I feel like for most people, it takes longer than that. So if it has taken you longer than that, or if it's been longer than that, don't get discouraged. I feel like I just kind of got lucky, I guess. Well, maybe not got lucky, but I mean, I work my ass off for this. Like, I really do. So, yeah, it definitely paid off. I promise, if you work your ass off with Poshmark, you can really, truly be successful. Like, I promise you. 100%. Okay, I want to clear up something that I said about shipping again. So I've talked to you guys about Poshmark shipping, and I have said, you know, Poshmark shipping is 1 to 3 days. So someone in my last video said, I think you misspoke. The app says we have 1 to 3 days to ship, not for the buyer to receive the purchase. Okay, so Poshmark gives every buyer up to 7 days to ship an item. Poshmark ambassadors are held to a higher standard. If you want to keep your Posh ambassador status, you have to have a ship time less than 3 days. The 1 to 3 days is because when you ship through Poshmark, you ship priority shipping through USPS, and priority shipping is 1 to 3 days. So I think that's where that person is confused. But again, not everyone ships, you know, same day or next day. If you want to get your package quickly, you know, do your research on the seller. They're a Poshmark ambassador and they care about keeping that ambassador status. They will ship within 3 days. So yeah, so a lot of confusion on shipping, and I just wanted to clear that up. All right, next question is, thank you for your tips. They help a lot. Good, I'm glad. I love making these videos because I love helping people. And I feel like, I want to address something else after that too. But yeah, I love making these videos, first off because I love YouTube and I've been making videos for 10 years, over 10 years now. And second, I'm really truly passionate about Poshmark, and I just love helping educate people about it and just giving tips and tricks and stuff that works for me. So, okay, hold on. Let's answer this question first, and then I want to talk about something else. I don't know if you answered this in another video, but what social media sites are best to use for Poshmark marketing? So for me personally, YouTube helps me out a lot. I also like Instagram. I mean, I like them all. I like all the social media sites. I really like YouTube the best. If I had to choose, if I had to like go in order, I would say YouTube, and then probably Instagram, Facebook, and then Twitter. Instagram second because you're able to reach a shit ton of people, you know, if you use hashtags and stuff. And then Facebook and Twitter, they're actually kind of like neck and neck. Facebook might be a little bit better, but you know, you might have like friends and family that like get annoyed with you talking about Poshmark all the time. So I don't really talk about it too much on there. I do have a Facebook account that is for my YouTube, and I talk about Poshmark on there. So, you know, if you wanted to do that, if you wanted to make like a completely separate Facebook account, then it could be very useful. But I think YouTube is the best, and then Instagram second for sure. Okay, oh, what did I want to talk about? All right, hold on. Actually, I'll save that for the end of this video. Okay, this person says, hello, inexperienced buyer here. I purchased an item from another seller and it came with damages and they did not describe. I want to return it, but I already accepted it. Do you know if it'll be possible for me to do a return? So unfortunately, once you accept something, you're no longer able to do a return. So my best advice is, once you get an item, is to thoroughly inspect it. Like before you accept it, before you go on the app and accept your order, you want to thoroughly inspect your item. I've read a lot of things on Facebook about people, you know, like being out of town when their order comes in and they weren't able to, you know, accept it, and like the 3 days went by. By the way, sorry, my lighting is like really bright. Once you receive an item on Poshmark, you have 3 days to accept the item and to rate it. And if you don't rate it in those 3 days, then the funds automatically get released to the seller. So I've read some things on Facebook where people are like, you know, I was out of town, I wasn't able to accept it. I opened up the box and it was damaged, and you know, I'm shit out of luck, basically. Which is, you know, it's kind of frustrating because, I mean, maybe some people have been able to return things because of those circumstances. I've never seen anyone. Poshmark might take it on a case-to-case basis. I don't know. But like that's the rule. You know, once you accept something, unfortunately, you're not able to return it. Next question is, I watch your YouTube videos, very informative, thank you, but I'm so confused on the like offer etiquette here. Do you try to determine if the posher is new and unaware before sending an offer, or do you just send the offers to them as well? I know I liked things before I realized what it meant because the world is so accustomed to liking everything, LOL. So that's a really, really, really good question, and I've actually never thought about that before, honestly. And now I'm going to think about that more before I send an offer to someone. Because like she said, and I feel like a lot of people do this, a lot of people go on Poshmark and they like things and they don't really know what it means, you know. They're used to liking something on Facebook or liking something on Instagram just because they like it, not necessarily because they want to buy it. On Poshmark, when you like something, it tells the seller that you're interested in the item, and you know, you potentially, like, you know, you're thinking about buying it. So yeah, I've never really thought about that, but from now on, I think I might do like research on a person that likes something. You know, I might check them out and see if they're new, if they're like an experienced seller. And then kind of go from there and determine my like offer to likers from that, I guess. I mean, I know I'm guilty of it. Like, I go on Poshmark and I like things with no intention of purchasing them. Like, you should see my likes, like how many pairs of shoes I have liked, like expensive ass shoes. And I'm never gonna buy them. I just like them. I mean, I guess I do recommend, you know, researching the person and seeing if they're new, and maybe adding their like to a bundle. That way you can communicate with them in private. And, you know, maybe ask them, you know, if you're interested in purchasing this, you know, if they are, you know, you can say you'll give them a shipping discount and another discount on top of that, or whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's a really, really good question, and I'm definitely gonna do that from now on. So thank you so much to Lotta Thrifts on Poshmark. Thank you for that question. So what I wanted to address, I want to address this comment that I got. And on one of my recent videos, I talked about how I was thinking about doing private Poshmark closet consultations, and somebody commented on this video and it got 5 likes, so, or like 5 thumbs up. So I just wanted to address this. Okay, so backing up, it was on a Q&A video, And this person said, I think if you need to charge for these questions, then you're doing YouTube for the wrong reasons. You need to ask yourself, why am I on YouTube? For sales, for revenue, or to help people learn? Okay, so first off, they like twisted things around. I never said I was gonna charge to do like Q&A videos. Like, no, I said I was thinking about charging people to do a private closet consultation because, you know, that takes time out of my own business. You know, it takes time to go through someone's closet and look at their stuff and make recommendations and stuff like that. So I really think that's only fair that I would charge people because, again, this is my business and it would be taking time away from my business. But I didn't like the fact that they were like, you're doing YouTube for the wrong reason. You need to ask yourself, why am I on YouTube? For sales, for revenue, or to help people learn? Well, Cindy Lou Rich, I'm actually on YouTube for all of those reasons. I've been on YouTube for over 10 years now. I've been on YouTube for, wait, I don't know why I keep saying 10 years because I've been on YouTube way longer than that. I opened my YouTube account in 2006. I didn't start making videos until 2008. So in April, I will have been on YouTube for 14 years and I will have been making videos for 12 years. I haven't been making money on my video for 12 years. I've been making money on my videos for 10 years. That's where I got the 10 years from because 2010 is when I got YouTube Partner. So I've been on YouTube for a long time and I've been making money on my videos for a long time. I'm not on YouTube for the wrong reason. There's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with making YouTube videos and making money off them. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So just to clear this up in case anyone else is new here, I do make YouTube videos to make money off of my videos. I don't only make videos on Poshmark. I have a vlog channel that I make money off of. I have other video topics that I make money off of. So yes, I am here to make money off my videos. Yes, I am here to talk about Poshmark and talk about my closet and try to boost sales in my closet. And yes, I also am here to teach people about Poshmark. So just clearing that up, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I'm not like ashamed to say that at all. I don't know why this person got so offended and you're doing YouTube for the wrong reason. Like, what? No, I've been on YouTube since before you were able to make money off your videos. So just bye. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any other questions about Poshmark or reselling in general, you can comment down below. You can tweet me, you can send me a DM on Instagram, and I will answer them in another Q&A video. If you are new to Poshmark and want to sign up, if you use my code KeepinItRad, then you will get a $10 credit, and I will also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.